Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3, guys. Thanks for being here. We're going to be doing some painting, and I'm going to be talking about a few things with you. We've got a 16 by 20 gallery wrap canvas here, and we're going simple with our colors. We're using 3 colors, or you say 3 colors. Right here in our slop bucket paint, which is not slop bucket paint today, we are using my new favorite black, Deco Heart Americana Enhanced, and this is their ultra black base coat paint, and it is black, guys. You know what? I'm going to show you a dried piece. It has not been varnished. It has had its isolation coat, so you're going to see a little bit of shine because an isolation coat dries a little bit shiny. But let me get that painting for you real quick. Now that's some black and I have been in search of black since the beginning of my pouring journey about 2 years ago. So I am digging on this ultra black paint, and I also used it in a dry swipe. Let me get that for you and show it to you. Now this painting is not done yet. I still have some layers to go, but can you see that black? Oh my goodness, be still my heart. This makes me smile, and I thank you, Deco Art, for doing this for us. So that's going to be our base coat today. Let me go ahead and set this down. And our other colors are wonderful, guys. I say just 3 colors, but once they blend together, you get even more colors. In this cup right here, we have Deco Art Americana in the 24 karat gold. This yummy goodness is golden fluid acrylics in the turquoise, and this is a fluid paint, so it got mixed up a little bit different than the medium body paint, and we'll talk about that. And this right here, oh, be still my heart, golden fluid acrylics in the iridescent pearl. Once again, a fluid paint. So how do I mix these paints up? Well, I treat them all a little bit different. My base coat, the ultra black from Deco Art, was mixed 1 part paint, 2 to 2.5 parts pouring medium, and water to get it to a thin consistency. We're going to be doing a swipe today, and I like my paints thin. How thin do I like them? Well, when they roll off the popsicle stick, they don't blob. They just kind of leave a subtle little mound before they dissipate into the paint below. I hope you guys can see that. My fluid paints, the way I mix them, I put about a tablespoon of Golden GAC 800 in the bottom of my cup. I add a squirt, and just a squirt of my fluid paint. I mix it up with the Golden GAC 800, and then I add about 1.5 ounces. You can go as much as 2 ounces of my usual pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium. So a splash of GAC in the bottom, add a couple squirts of your pigment or your paint, your fluid paint, 2.5 ounces of pouring medium, stir it up, and you've got the perfect consistency for a swipe. No water was needed. Why was no water needed? Because it's a fluid paint and it's already a little bit fluid. And it's same with our golden turquoise, guys. Splash of GAC 800 in the bottom, couple squirts of your pigment, 2 to 2.5 parts pouring medium. I could add more pouring medium to this if I wanted because the pigment is so strong, but I'm leaving it as is. Now our medium body paint, our Deco Art 24 karat gold, see, that's the same consistency. This took a little bit of water. The reason it took a little bit of water is because it's a medium body paint and I needed to thin it down. Let's talk about my water real quick. I keep a bottle close at hand, and this is about 50% Golden GAC 800, 50% water. That's how I thin my paints down. I love my GAC, so I put my GAC in my water. What the heck, right guys? This is 1 part of the DecoArt 24 karat gold medium body paint, a squirt of GAC 800, 2 to 2.5 parts pouring medium, and squirt at a time of water until I get it to the consistency of my fluid paints. I hope that helps, guys. We're doing a minimalistic swipe. I say that with 3 colors, but blue and pearl make a lighter blue, and blue and gold make a green. So we'll probably get some other colors going on in this painting, guys. What else? Oh, practice. Sometimes I paint with some funky colors. I was fiddling with some funky colors earlier today, and they were too funky for me. I didn't like what they did, so I moved on. So what I do is, you can get about 50 of these little practice boards, or what they're called, Jerry's Artorama, Dick Blick's, but a lot of times when I'm unsure, there are some colors that I always know are going to work well together. But every once in a while, I want to get funky, or I want to kick it up a notch. So I use my inexpensive canvas board. This has actually still got plastic on it, like this one right here. And I lay out a little bit of my base coat, and I layer my colors in different orders. And then I swipe them, and I take a look, and I decide which one I like the best. So, good practice board. I don't paint on these. They tend to warp. They can't handle the amount of paint that you need when you're doing a fluid piece of art. So, really good practice tool, guys. Michael's has them, Jerry's Artorama, Dick Blick's, and they're pennies on the dollar, guys. So, what else? I think that's it, guys. I want to paint. I haven't painted in 3 days, and I'm starting to itch a little bit. I'm glad you're here, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
I can see it in your eyes. I can feel it in your touch. I can hear it in your voice, though you haven't said that much. Through an empty bottle, I can see it all so clear. All these broken pieces will be scattered in the wind. I can hear it in your voice, though you haven't said that much. Through an empty bar